Let me now turn to the man with whom I had a mathematical equation. Our love, mutual love for mathematics, I guess, made us very, very clear in our thought processes. Maths is so logical that without maths, I guess this world would probably not progress. And Bhatti Saab made it so interesting. He would really turn the subject around in a manner where you really would fall in love with the subject. I would now like to invite Akram Bhatti Saab, who was also the housemaster of Liaquat House during my days, and a great teacher who's been remembered a lot, to come and say a few words. He has spoken to us last night, but I would still like to honor him again one more time here on this forum. Bhatti Saab, sir, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Last evening, a lot was said about the founder principle, and today a few speakers also spoke high of Commander Firoz Shah. But every principle, right from Colonel Coombs till the present one, contributed according to the circumstances and the money in hand. Commander Firoz Shah, because he offered scholarship, they were awarded by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. We must not forget it. As soon as he was away, scholarships were stopped. And today I am very happy that 16 scholarships have been announced by you people. You deserve all the honor and respect of the old students and the new students. Let me come to the next principle, Commander Asrarullah. Nobody talked about it. There were no funds. I, together with his authority and permission, did a lot of construction work within our own sources, using sand and gravel of our own, cement from outside, labor our own. And there was a tremendous change. And his greatest contribution is that he was over and all in charge and director of studies of Marine Chittagong Academy. It is because of him that most of our cadets, Rashid Abdo, Rish Bistro, and 4 or 5 more were taken in the first batch of Marine Academy Chittagong, and they rose to a very high post. They have become multi-millions, some of them. I remember one of them, Fayyaz Rai. He was one of them. He was very poor when he joined us. He was awarded scholarship, and he was so, I should say, economical or miser, that he never spent his pocket money, which was a bigger amount, but he managed to polish his shoes and to brighten his belt by doing the same work for other students and use their material. And he was so wise that he bought pens of longer size. I said, "What have you brought this?" उनका कहा, "सर मुझे ये 5 साल चलानी है." मैंने कहा, "कैसे?" उसने कहा, "जी आज शाम को देख लीजिएगा, मैंने अंदर से इनको सी दिया होगा एंड मेरे ऊपर फिट टाइम." So this was the way he carried on, and when he left the college, he got 76 rupees cash from this college instead of spending even a single penny. And later on, it was on account of the efforts of was the now principal, and then he was the principal of the Chittagong Academy, that he got admission, and now I have heard that he is owner of 3 ships. 3 ships. It's not a small thing. Can we approach him to contribute some scholarship?
Who is this, sir?
Fayyaz Arai.
Certainly, sir. I'll definitely make sure.
You have met him. You will have to squeeze from him. He is very miser. ये मुझे आप ये मेरा जो शागिर्द होना है अशरफ ये बताएगा कि हाउ माइजर ही वाज इसका अशरफ तो ये इसके जूते खास तौर पे पॉलिश करता था कि भाई मुझे अपने जूते पॉलिश करने दो तो बहरहाल a lot has been said about different principles. Everybody has contributed according to the sources available. Our present principal has been lucky that he has got this tenure of 7 years. When our Petarians are holding the purse, he may be the Chief Minister of Sindh, he may be Liaquat Jatoi, he may be Naresh Kaur. Everybody has given enough of money. And here I tell you, nobody has spoken about Asif Zardari, maybe on account of political reasons. But I tell you, when I was officiating principal only for a few months, he rang me up from Islamabad. भट्टी साहब कोई मदद की ज़रूरत है जो मैं कर सकता हूँ मैंने कहा हाँ कहने का क्या चाहिए मैंने कहा यहाँ जिम्नेजियम नहीं है जिम्नेजियम के लिए पैसे चाहिए उन्होंने कहा PC1 फॉर्म बना के भेज दें कलीम साहब यहाँ बैठे हुए आपने वो PC1 फॉर्म पूरा किया मैंने इनकी मदद से भेज दिया और जब मैंने टेक ओवर किया उधर उसकी छुट्टी हो रही थी मेरे नाम बनाम प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद अकरम भट्टी प्रिंसिपल कैडेट कॉलेज पिटारो 60 लाख का चेक मैंने वसूल किया जो कि मैंने नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल के लिए छोड़ दिया आप सोच सकते हैं कि उसको 60 लाख मिला जिम्नेजियम के लिए बनाया मेस तो मतलब ये है कि हर आदमी अपने पल्ले से तो खर्च नहीं करेगा ना जो यहाँ आया है कॉलेज रन करने के लिए वो तो जो उसको सोर्सेज मिलेंगे उसके ऊपर ही गुजारा करेगा तो ये मुश्किल थी असरारुल्लाह साहब को यही मुश्किल थी अजीम साहब को यही मुश्किल थी बाद वाले 2 हज़रात को एंड माई प्रॉमिसिंग स्टूडेंट Muhammad Abid Salim is lucky to have our old Petarians with heavy purses and they are helping the college. We must be thankful to the Petarians. Thank you very much. एक बात मैं बताना भूल गया ये जरा सुन लीजिए ये कॉलेज जो था मीरपुर खास में शुरू हुआ था उस वक्त के जो सीनियर मोस्ट आदमी हैं यहाँ बैठे हुए फारूकी साहब आज यकीन करेंगे कि ना वहाँ की ग्राउंड थी ना कुछ और था इनको मैंने देखा जब मैंने कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया हाथों में मड प्लास्टर की बाल्टी पकड़े हुए ग्राउंड को मड प्लास्टर विद हिज ओन हैंड उसके बाद जब हम यहाँ आए तो कोई क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए कोई मुनासिब पिच नहीं थी लड़कों ने हमारी मदद की मैंने कहा इधर उधर से पत्थर इकट्ठे करो खुदाई मैंने करवा दी एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट से लड़कों ने वहाँ जाके पत्थर फेंक दिए फिर मैंने दूसरे लोगों से उसकी कुटाई करवा दी अपना जो मिशन था उससे हमने बजरी और सीमेंट मिला के हमने पिच बनाई जिस पे आप बाद में खेलते रहे और फारूकी साहब उसको बनवाते हैं थैंक्स अ लॉट